Here's another study tip from the Learning Cauldron to help with your English revision. Read as much as possible. It doesn't matter whether it's Animal Farm, The Picture of Dorian Gray, Wuthering Heights, or, and this is very cleverly blocked out, censorship, 1984. Whatever you read will be helpful. If you want to understand and appreciate literature, it's really important to read widely. Reading books over and above the ones you're preparing for your English exam will help your ability to identify literary techniques and their effects when you encounter them in your school set texts. You could even read books which are connected to your school set texts. For example, if you were studying Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, which is a Gothic novel, then reading Frankenstein, another Gothic novel, in your own time could be useful. Not only do the two books explore similar themes, but reading Frankenstein helps give you an idea of the literary context that Stevenson was writing in and understand why he wrote some of the things he did. How many English classics have you read?